English shorthand dictation 120 words per minute.
Start. My committee have received representations to the effect that the above basic principle of port policy requires to be stressed and I emphasized and a bold and vigorous policy adopted in relation to ports in certain regions of the country and make them all weather ports for the scheme of development as in hand or as contemplated are not adequate to bring about in time a level of development which may meet the requirements of the growing economy of the interior regions of these ports. The increase in traffic which the ports' interior regions have collectively handled has been quite considerable. This significant rise in the movement of cargo through these ports emphasizes the need for the development of these ports into modern ports without any further delay. Para. It has been recognized that a sound port policy should not only aim at development of major ports and in keeping them in a good condition but should also side by side try to develop middle ports. Development of such ports is essential from broad national consideration as also to serve as an instrument for balanced regional development in the country. It therefore in the fitness of things that the question of selecting ports for greater development has been examined by the Ports Development Committee, which was appointed by the Government of India towards the end of the year. The full report of the Enquiry Committee is not yet published, but a summary of the recommendations of the committee has been released to the press. The recommendations of the committee in respect of some of the ports has created a impression that perhaps these recommendations are based on an inadequate appreciation of the possibilities and potentialities of attracting traffic to those ports during the next few years, and in case of some of those ports the estimates of the increase in traffic in the coming years do not fully reflect the possibilities of increase in traffic as a result of new industries which have already stated functioning and others which are in the actual stage of execution. An objective assessment, it has been pointed out, of the potentiality for increased industrial production in the next few years based on the actual plans for expansion of the existing industries as also starting of new industrial units in that area can only lead to the conclusion that the increase in traffic at each of the ports would be far greater than that estimated by the inquiry committee. Para. It has also been suggested that as the bulk of the expected increase in traffic will be in valuable commodities like cement, it may be economical to convert the port into an all-weather port. It has been pointed out to us that in view of the development of new industries that has taken place, the port will be called upon to handle heavy traffic. Stop.